Welcome to the Solway Aviation Museum here at Carlisle Airport. The museum is made up of some 24 aircraft and other smaller items held within buildings. The museum is run by volunteers who work within our workshop, and today we're going to meet some of these volunteers.
Solway Aviation Museum is a collection of historic aircraft. The original plan was to have 1950s to 1970s British aircraft, but the plans don't always work out. We got offers of more different types of planes which we accepted, and it's just evolving and becoming a more interesting place.
The Solway Aviation Society came about in 1961 with the Royal Observer Corps. They were meeting down at the tower on Carlisle Airport here. They sat down there and had cups of tea and biscuits. And after that, we then started acquiring aircraft. And the first one they collected was the Vulcan bomber, and that was bought for £5,000 from the RAF. It flew into Carlisle Airport in 1983 after the Falklands War. The Solway Aviation Museum has progressed from a porter cabin outside to 3 large buildings where we hold aircraft, part of a nuclear deterrent, other smaller parts. And within the workshop here, this is where all the smaller components are made and all the maintenance is done. At the moment, we're working on jacks for aircraft and also tyres.
I've been here for about 2 years now, mostly involved in restoration and maintenance of the exhibits, the aircraft on display. I served in the Royal Air Force for 14 years and left in 1997. After another couple of jobs, I've now retired and was looking for something to do to keep myself occupied in the later years.
Well, our volunteers come from a wide range of groups. We've got TV engineers, we have alarm engineers, electricians, aircraft engineers. We've got library assistants, you name it. Everybody comes from a wide walk of life. What we offer is great fun, actually. I've enjoyed it. I mean, I've been here since 1991 and it's been really good fun. My main role has been in the past working on the Vulcan, looking after it. But people come along with any skill. We can use all skills because we can do training, we can show them what we want, we can show them how to do a job and how to do it properly. And what they get is a sense of achievement. You know, you come to the museum and look at the aircraft at the end of a day when they're starting to look as though they came out of the factory. You're looking at the TripAdvisor results, how people say how fantastic the aircraft all are, how wonderful the volunteers are. It really is a good feeling. It is a great place to be.
An aircraft for 25 years, and it's great to relive my old days and do a bit of metal bashing, a bit of riveting, replacement of components and repair. It's great to sort of keep your skills going. Just something to keep you busy, keep your mind active and keep you physically active. And they're a great bunch of people here. It's good to come and have a chat and share life with people. It's good to see the people coming in and smiles on their faces, and people who've been associated with aircraft in the past and maybe been in the forces like to come and see the aircraft they used to know and love. And it's great to allow people to get inside the aircraft and experience what it would be like maybe to be a pilot or aircrew. I feel quite chuffed, yeah, really pleased to be part of that.
Being a volunteer and making things with your own hands and the tools that we've acquired over the time, it's a real pleasure to see other people's faces when they see your work, the smiles that it brings to people. Thank you for visiting the museum today. If you'd like to learn more about the exhibits here at the museum, click the link in the description below for a more in-depth video.